Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Mitsubishi Lancer fuel pump. Before beginning, prioritize safety by disconnecting your vehicle's battery. It is also highly recommended to have your fuel tank nearly empty to reduce potential spills. You will need basic tools such as an 8mm wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself during the process. To access the fuel pump, first remove the rear seat bottom by pulling it upwards from the front underside. It should pop out easily. Beneath the seat, you will find an access panel, typically on the left side. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws holding this panel in place. Once the panel is off, thoroughly clean the surrounding area to prevent any dirt from entering the fuel tank. Next, depressurize the fuel system by locating and removing the fuel pump relay, then briefly starting the engine until it stalls. Disconnect the electrical harness from the pump. Now, carefully detach the 2 fuel lines. Expect some residual fuel to spill, so have rags ready. Finally, use an 8mm wrench to remove the several bolts holding the fuel pump assembly bracket in place. With the old pump removed, carefully insert the new fuel pump assembly into the tank, ensuring the new gasket is correctly positioned for a proper seal. Reconnect both fuel lines and the electrical connector, making sure all connections are secure. Tighten the 8mm bolts on the retaining bracket. Replace the access panel and the rear seat. Finally, reconnect the battery and test your vehicle for proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.